In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment in FreshBooks. Adding payments to your invoices is a crucial part of managing your business's financial records. It ensures that your bookkeeping is accurate and up to date. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the FreshBooks website. Once you're on the main page, locate the Login button. It should be easy to spot, usually situated at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll need to log in using your existing FreshBooks account details. Go ahead and enter your information. This usually involves your email and password. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to your dashboard. From here, look for the Invoices option in the main navigation menu. Click on Invoices to view the list of all the invoices you've created. At this point, you'll want to find the specific invoice to which you'd like to add a payment. Browse through your list and select the invoice of choice by clicking on it. After the invoice page loads, you'll notice a menu or various options. Look for the More Actions button, which can typically be found towards the top or right side of the page. It's a drop-down menu offering additional options related to the invoice. Click on More Actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Add a Payment. This will lead you to a new interface where you'll be asked to enter the payment details. First, input the payment amount in the designated field. Ensure this matches the amount paid by your client to avoid any discrepancies. Once the amount is in, you'll need to select the payment method. There should be several options available, such as credit card, bank transfer, or others. Choose the method that corresponds with how the payment was made. It's important to keep your client informed, so have a look at the checkbox that says Send Client Notification. Checking this box will ensure your client receives an email notification confirming that their payment has been received. This step is good practice for both transparency and trust building with your clients. With all this information filled in, the final step is to hit the Add Payment button. This will process and apply the payment to your invoice. You should now see a confirmation message, and the invoice status should reflect the updated payment information. Congratulations, you've successfully added a payment in FreshBooks. Keeping your financial records accurate with steps like these is essential for smooth business operations. If you have any questions or run into any issues, FreshBooks support is always a great resource to turn to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.